This video I will share with you how to install and use a VPN in MacBook for free. First, the VPN that I will use will be installed on Google Chrome. So open the Google Chrome browser, then look for Chrome extension store. This is it. The exact address is chromewebstore.google.com. Here in the search bar, write VPN this way, VEPN, and search and open the first search result. By the way, I need to delete it to be able to remove it, to install it in this video. Let's refresh this page. So in your case, you will see free VPN for Chrome, VPN proxy VPN, and click on it. As you see, make sure to that the extension you are installing is provided by vpn.com, and click on add to Chrome, add extension, and I think it was installed successfully. Now close this window. So go to this extension icon, and first let's ping it to stay here. Click on this VPN icon. First click on continue, start, continue with free, get the offer, and close this window. Click on it again, and now your free VPN on Mac is ready. First, you will see the optimal location. This, in my case, it's Amsterdam, but this is okay. Yes, the optimal location is based on your current location. But before using this VPN, this free VPN, let's check my current my location using this website. As you see, it says Morocco. Now let's connect to this free VPN on Mac. As you see, now I should be connected to Amsterdam with this new IP. Let's refresh this page, and as you see, now it says the Netherlands. This means that the free VPN is working, and from my experience, this little extension is very helpful and reliable. This is what I'm looking for. And this is how to install and use a free VPN on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.